Good morning, friends. Welcome you to Imayam Shakespeare YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the topic on present perfect continuous, or in other words, present progressive continuous form. This form is very essential, and we use this tense very often in our day-to-day speaking. So you should learn this tense carefully. Okay? Again, I welcome you. Channel subscribe பண்ணாதவங்க இமயம் ஷேக்ஸ்பியர் சேனல் subscribe பண்ணுங்க, bell button press பண்ணுங்க, comment கொடுங்க, like போடுங்க. Okay? So coming to our area, this tense is used to represent the actions that started in the past time and still going on. Listen carefully. An action which started in the past time and it is still in progress. Clear? Again, the structure is subject plus has been or have been plus verb ing form, keywords since, for. Is it clear? So, subject plus has been or subject plus have been. You should keep it in mind like that. I, we, you, they, we are already familiar with these subjects. I, we, you, they, one group. He, she, it names another group. For I, we, you, they, in ordinary present form, you use auxiliary do. For these subjects, we used auxiliary verbs does. Is it clear? Now, here have, for this has, that also I have already told you in the present perfect form. Again, I am reminding you. Okay. I, we, you, they have been plus verb plus ing. He, she, it names has been plus verb plus ing. This is the most important differentiation you should keep in mind. Why I am insisting this again and again. Many people commit mistakes only in this area. I have come across many people using he don't know anything. Normally, casually they use he don't know anything. They think that it's right, but it's incorrect. He does not know. He don't know is absolutely incorrect. Is it clear? So here also, even by you should not use even careless error like this. There has been and he have been. Not like that. I have been, you have been, they have been, he has been, she has been, it has been. You should keep it in mind even from the learning level. Only then it will be imbibed in your mind permanently so that you will not make errors. Okay. Example, I have been living here since 2014. I started living here 2014. But still I am continuing. For that I have been living here from 2015. Like that I have been living here since 2014. We have been working there for 5 years. We started working here before 5 years. Still we are continuing. So we have been working there for 5 years. She has been learning Hindi for 3 years. She started learning Hindi before 3 years. Still he is continuing. He has been calling you since 9 a.m. today. He has been calling you again and again. Where did you go? Please go and attend. She has been calling you since 9 a.m. In that situation, you have to use it. So he has been calling you. Where had you been here? Come on quick. You go and ask your mom. Ask your father. Why did he call you? He has been calling you since 9 a.m. today. Shouting and shouting. Okay. It has been raining continuously. Started raining in the early morning. Now the time is 11 o'clock. The rain is continuously raining without stop. So that's why it has been raining continuously for 4 hours. Since 9 a.m., since 5 a.m., like that. It has been raining continuously. So these are the situations you have to use this tense. I hope you understand. Again, now I am passing on to the negative forms. Whenever you use this positive, negative also very important. So when you say I have been learning English, simply you should know how to use the negative form. Negative form, you should not use they have not, they have been not, it's not possible. Here also, IVU, they have not been plus ing, she, it has not plus been. See, I have not been calling you since Nayam. You have to add not in between has and been, in between have and been. In between has and been, not is inserted. In between have and been, not is inserted. I have not been calling you. She has not been learning Hindi. We have not been living here since 2016. They have not been working here for the past 2 years. You have to repeat this video again and again, and you should strongly imbibe these items in your mind. This is very, very important form of tense that is very much useful in our day-to-day life. Is it clear? That's why I'm insisting. Very, very interesting and very often tense this is. Okay. So here I have been learning, she has been learning, we have been working, he has been calling. Here we have to add this not between have and been, has and been. I have not been, she has not been, we have not been, they have not been working. Is it clear? I hope. If you want any doubt, you can call me to my number. I will explain. Channel subscribe பண்ணுங்க, MAM Shakespeare, bell button press பண்ணுங்க, like கொடுங்க, comment கொடுங்க. Thank you very much. I will meet you tomorrow.